If you're caring for someone with dementia, managing their medications can add an extra level of confusion and frustration. To begin with, you need to check all your family member or friend's medications with the doctor or pharmacist. Are the medications all necessary and free of negative interactions with each other? Have you noticed any side effects the medications might be having? Is your family member or friend taking medications for behavioral issues, such as antidepressants to relieve anxiety or sleeplessness? Or medications for Alzheimer's dementia, such as Aricept, Exelon, Razidine, or Namenda? If these dementia medications were prescribed over 6 months ago, you should ask the doctor to review whether they're still necessary and appropriate for your care receiver's particular form of dementia. Once the medications have been reviewed by the doctor, you need to see if your family member or friend is taking them properly. Setting up a MediSet, an automatic pill dispenser, or personal monitoring is a good way to track medications if your family member or friend is living independently. More information on this is available in the previous video titled, Set Up a Dosage System. However, if your family member or friend is no longer independent, you might come across the following pitfalls in trying to manage their medications. First, they might not recognize a pill and are sure they shouldn't be taking it. Or they may believe the medication is poison and will recoil or pull away from it. Then they might have trouble swallowing a pill, or think they've already taken it and don't want to take it again. And lastly, they might believe that doctors don't know anything, and therefore the medication is certainly wrong. So here's what you can do to help your family member or friend take their medications. Have the doctor write a clearly worded prescription, which you can show your family member or friend to reassure him or her that it is what needs to be taken. You might even post it on the refrigerator door for convenience. If your family member or friend can still read and understand, look up the medicine on the internet and show him or her what it is. And if your family member or friend distrusts doctors, you might use the pharmacist as a source for reassurance instead. If your family member or friend has difficulty with swallowing pills, you might look into crushing them or hiding them in yogurt or ice cream. Make sure first, however, that it is okay to crush a certain medication before doing so. Also, to reduce the number of pills your family member or friend may need to take, look into time-release or extended-release versions of these medications. And medications available in liquid form or even in a patch could work as well. Finally, if your family member or friend's medication schedule is flexible, find the best time of the day to take them. For example, some people with dementia are often anxious or depressed during the late afternoon. For those who have this sundown syndrome, taking medications at that time would not be advisable. Hopefully, these tips will help you to manage medications for someone who can no longer do so for him or herself.